On altimeter 2977.
You're just got continuously chop right now. The storm I just worked my way past would be my next, when it rains it pours. So if you have a smooth ride or a better route for the storm, I'll take it. 35, 36, whatever. Foxtrot Tango is with you, level at 7,500.
I'll make altimeter 2978. 4.
Now 338. Good night. And report a light chop flight level 320 in position. Atlantica 503, good evening. Region flight level 330. Okay, we're contact, we change our square 3437. Kilo 503 squawk in 3437. Requesting 15 degrees right for weather, please. Conditions are right, of course, approved, and when able, direct Dixon Air press at 449. 503.
I don't think you can do an auto, I think it's 50%.
Level 310.
105, just verify you said 310?
Level 310.
Good evening, Miami. Continental 519, flight level 310.
We'll take a look at that due to weather. We'll do it for now. I can't 076. Oh, 17906. Just airport 160 now. Oh, direct to select Continental 17906. That's right. And estimate for Catpo, standby. Catpo 0301 and green flag is 0357.
34.8 today.
6,000.
On arrival, return my test here to make sure the arrival is reopened. If I need to be on arrival, please. 35. Technical 519, coming in for level 35. Level 35, sir.